Ungathini casa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. The passing of our king KaZwelithini Zulu and the Queen Mandrombi Dlamini has taught us a lot about our culture, the late Zulu kings and how they were appointed. Finally, the day that everyone was waiting for, especially the Zulu nation, has come. The new king of the Zulu nation has been appointed. 47-year-old Prince Misuzulu, first son of the late King Goodwill and Queen Regent Mandrombi, has been chosen as the king of the Zulu nation. Just after the memorial service, reading of the will was announced. We all know that the late King Goodwill Zulu appointed Indlovukazi Mandrombi Dlamini Zulu as the great wife to be the one who appoint the Zulu king after his passing. Yes, confusion and misunderstanding was expected as some of the family members felt the first will was not legit, feeling it was not signed by the late king. They believe someone forged the signature, and I think they have their own king in mind, which culture and many Zulu nation does not agree with. Culturally, Misuzulu is the only prince who can be a king, as he is born from both royal families. If you can't, or if you watch Muvango or Mubango, you will understand what happened to Suzanne as Azwindini's first wife, but not from the royal family. Many South Africans accepted the nomination of Prince Misuzulu as the king of AmaZulu. Truly speaking, guys, being a royal is a challenging role on its own, and having many wives result in royal fight and a lot of unnecessary drama. But what can we say? It's our culture. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, congratulations to the new king of Zulu nation. Ndabezitha mntwana Zulu kamalandela ngokulandela inkomo zamadoda, Zulu mnyama ondlela zimhlophe, wena kaphunga nomageba, wena kamjoka nakandaba, wena kankayishana kamenze yaphuza umlaza ngameva, sithuli sikandaba, sithuli sikankombane, bayede wena wendlovu. Inkosi ayiqedwa. Ngiyabonga.